Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in this video I'll show you exactly how you can make a fire super quickly in 90 nights in the forest. So it's perfect for surviving the cold nights and keeping dangers away. So first, what you need to do is just chop down every tree without putting it in the fire. So you need to chop as many as three as possible before day 2 starts, because on the first night the deer won't attack you, so you can just collecting supplies and also bring the woods as many as possible before day 2 start. So when the night is approaching in day 1 here, you just need to keep chopping down the tree because the deer won't attack you except the wolf actually. So you need to be careful because there's a wolf that might attack you. So after that you can just, after you already chopped down many trees, you can bring them near the bonfire. And then here, after you have all the woods, you can just make the fire quickly without having to go back and forth again, and your fire will be level up. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you all on the next tutorials. Bye.